Today's bag was inspired by the tortoise. Slow and steady might win the race, but will it win in fashion? Stay tuned and find out. The tortoise bag is giving everything it's supposed to give. The shell was the hardest part to figure out, but once I got a hang of the geometry, it was easy from there on. And I'm obsessed with how the Ankara layers over the leather. No straps yet, but the structure is already perfect. Slow fashion never looked this bold. So what do you think? Would you carry this tortoise backpack, or is it just plain weird? Tomorrow, we are going from hard shell to puppy print. It's about to get cute and cuddly. Make sure to share this journey with a friend. Subscribe, share, and see you tomorrow.